How to get amazing Sora quality with Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every content creator, streamer, or podcaster cares about, getting that perfect Sora quality using Kling AI. Now, sound quality can make or break your content. Your audience will notice if your audio is tinny, muffled, or uneven, or even if your video looks great or not. Now, Sora quality, for those who don't know, refers to the amazing, absolutely flawless, and great image and video generation. All right. And it should be professionally made. It should look like it's real. It shouldn't look like it's AI. So, with the latest updates to Kling AI achieving its level of quality, it has become simpler and faster. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up Kling AI, optimize its features, and get the best possible quality to match Sora's. All right. So, let's understand Kling AI and Sora first. Before we jump into settings and tweaks, let's take a moment to understand and why Sora's quality is special. Now, Kling AI is an advanced enhancement AI tool powered by AI and great companies in the back end. It cleans, balances, and enhances your videos in real time, removing any type of sudden extent of AI work. It looks very realistic and it looks really clear. Now, when it comes to Sora, Sora is obviously a project of OpenAI. Of course, if the creators of ChatGPT went ahead and created something like ChatGPT, which obviously is one of the most used chatbot agents in the world right now, of course, that is going to lead to ChatGPT having great work and great repercussions. All right. Now, moving on, what you're going to be doing from here on out to get that Kling AI aesthetic and to have it just like the hyperreal motion and sound on Sora. What you're going to be doing is you're going to come right here on Kling AI and you're going to hit create now. Once you hit create now, what's going to happen from here is it is going to be bringing you to this section. Now, in this section, it's going to be asking you to input something over here. Now, before your video generation starts, there are a few things that you are going to need to tweak. All right. So first of all, we have this. So video wants the unified model, which is obviously the more older model and something they used to use before. And then there's the video 3.0 Omni model, which is an all-in-one multi-model input with voice-driven characters and native audio output with storyboards. So of course, you're going to choose that. Then moving over, resolution could be anything. You could choose something for yourself. You can choose the duration of the video as well. Moving over, we have audio. Always make sure to have native audio because if native audio is off, AI will go ahead and add something totally out of the blue and robotic type into the video, which will not make your video look realistic like Sora. And moving on, we have multi-shot and custom multi-shot. So multi-shot is something you can turn on or off. Custom multi-shot is something where you can actually describe the shots that you specifically want. And of course, you will need to prompt pretty properly and pretty deeply in this because without that, you will not be able to go ahead and get a good generation. But once all of that is done, you're going to simply come over here and write in your prompt. So let's say I'm going to write metal band drummer back flip, or you could go ahead and write summer salts on drum kit. Okay. You can go ahead and write something like that. And once that is done, you can simply go ahead and hit generate. Now, to generate, of course, you will need to go ahead and log in with an account for yourself. So you could choose any of these accounts. I'm going to go ahead and use my Gmail, but you can go with your Apple or your email as well. That is going to be totally dependent on you. Once you've done that, what Kling is going to do is Kling is going to go ahead and give you these four plans. All right. Now, the best part is that they are going on a discounted offer right now of 12% on monthly and 34% on yearly. So it's a good time to avail this offer, but the plans are $6.99, $25.99, $64.99, and $127.99 per month. If you want to go with something pretty basic and not some, big and chunky generations for that, I will say that the standard is perfect. But if you are something big in the generation field, I would say go with any one of these upper ones. But for normal generation, the standard should be enough for you. All right. So once you have chosen your plan, it's obviously going to go ahead and start giving you your credits. And even if you don't want a plan and you just want credits to generate, you can purchase those for yourself as well. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. So once you've done that, you can start creating generations, of course, with these specific settings that I have showed you. Without these, do not generate because you will not get the generation that you are going to need. All right. It's really important to use these specific settings because obviously, with the newer generation models, and with the newer, multi-shot custom differentialities that they've given us, it is really important to get good video generation out of your Kling. Utilize this new opportunity that you've been given. Then moving on, you can also go ahead and create a motion controlled video as well. Okay, this is a totally new feature that not even Sora provides you, and it's basically specific motions that you might want to copy off. Okay, it could be the color mixing trend, or it could be the Chinese dance trend, Fortune Overdrive. These are all different things and videos that have been popular. So you can go ahead and create videos surrounding these as well. Moving on, you can also create your very own custom avatars to work around with. Pretty incredible, right? So it's all things that rival your Sora AI, and it all starts off from the generative settings that Kling has provided you. And do make sure that you do have credits because without credits, you will not be able to go ahead and get your generations in. But once you have gone ahead and added in your generations, you can see that it starts creating your video. And once your video is created and good to go, you're going to be able to see that it's going to create something flawless and give you a generation that is out of this world. And of course, it does that pretty fast ways. As you can see, it says estimated 1 minute, which is pretty quick when it comes to your generic video generations. So once this is done, let me get back to you and show you our product. So once everything is done, as you can see, here is your generation. So a metal drummer, and as you can clearly see, he is doing a somersault. And you can see the generation is pretty flawless. It's pretty nice. And what you can do is you can make changes in it by extracting different frames in it, but that's obviously dependent on you. But this is how you can go ahead and create generations on Kling AI just like Sora. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.